Hi, let's paint and scribble a row of fall trees using Crayola markers. Crayola Kids markers are water-based, which means we can move the ink around just like watercolors with a little less mess. But first, I need to draw my trees and the branches, and I'm going to use a Sharpie marker because Sharpies are alcohol-based and they will not move with water. I'll draw a row of vertical lines. And then I'm going to add just some little angled lines off of that main section, and that will be my branches. Now I can add some dots of color with the markers to create my leaves. But I'm not really drawing leaves. I'm just dropping color. Now, watch what happens when I hit the marker ink with the wet paintbrush. Instant watercolor. And I'm going to do this to all the trees. Once this is dry, I can take a Sharpie marker and scribble my treetops to resemble leaves. I'm not drawing anything, I'm just scribbling. And that's it. Wasn't that easy? We hope you enjoyed these fall trees, and you'll hit that red subscribe button, and you can hit that red subscribe button, and you'll know when we add more fall art to this playlist. In the description below, you can find the fall art playlist. Thanks for watching, and most importantly, forget not the Lord.